Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Under this video, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on like when you like this video. If you like this video, today I want to show you how to install slow motion on a beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 3. How is possible, bro? How is possible to install slow motion on Samsung Galaxy Note 3? Let me to show you this right now. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Yes. Are you ready to create a note? Subscribe. Now. And like. Woo! Look at my screen. Thank you. Wonderful. Now, let's go. Close all of this. Beautiful. Get ready to do this. To install this beautiful slow motion on your phone, you need absolutely to have this application. What is this application? This application is in front of you and it's called Footej camera. The best camera in the world for me. When you download this beautiful camera on your beautiful Play Store, click on Hello, install and click on Hello, and open this. And now you have access to your beautiful camera. As you see, it's so simple to do this. Now, click on Settings here. Settings to access to your beautiful settings directly here. Do this. And you can also see here videos. Before videos, they are general. Let's go. Let's start with configuration. JPEG quality. Do this and click on I and excellent. Okay. Stabilization. Activate. What else? Wonderful. This guy is done. It's so beautiful. Photo. Look at the options into. Okay. All of this is so beautiful. I will also give height, and you can increase. Okay, you can do this for the image. Wonderful configuration. Now let's go. This is the premium version from this beautiful Footej camera. The premium version. Now let's go for videos. And on video you can see back camera. The size is here. You can choose the size what you want. Okay, this size is good for me. Thank you. For frontal camera, this size also is good for me. And you can also go. You can see here max duration. Okay, do this and put unlimited. Wonderful. If it's done, go back again and get ready to make a beautiful video. Before doing this, let's go to take a beautiful photo. Wonderful. Activate the flash right now here and take a beautiful photo again. What? Where is the flash? I think that there are missing on this beautiful camera. What is missed? Okay, let's see. Photo, beautiful camera. Wonderful. I see, it's so great. Okay, do this. And do this. I see, you can see here. You can see normal. Click on normal and look at here. Wow, slow motion is in front of you. Wow. Okay, look at slow motion is in front of you, bro. Have you seen? Where is he? He's here. Slow motion. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Let me to show you again. Click on slow motion here. And okay, it's done now. This camera no have no problem. It's good, no problem. Now get ready to recording a video, slow motion video right now. Okay, look at this. This is a whatever I want to do, but I want to do this to capture a video. Okay, to capture a video. Now click on recording. Are you ready to see this? Let's do it. 1 2 3 4. Let's go. Recording. 1 2 3 4. Launch. Launch again. Again. So fast. Woo. Have you seen this? Try again. Wonderful. It's so fast. Quickly. Again. Woo. Have you seen? Again. What the shock. Woo. I observe that you're recording. What the shock. Recording. Woo. Into the camera. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Now click on stop. And go to see your video. Okay. And look at your video now. Your slow motion video is there. How is possible? How is possible? Look at again. Volume. Look at. How is possible? Wow. How is it possible? Wow. Again. Woo. Look. Ooh. Not bad. Have you seen? It's possible. And it's done. You can also turn your camera and do the same action to recording your beautiful slow motion on your beautiful selfie. It's possible also to make slow motion on selfie. Look at this. Let's do this. Recording. Look at. Flash. Again. Wonderful. Okay, let's see this. Look at. Beautiful recording. Look at this. Woo! Look at. Woo! Ooh. Have you seen this, bro? Have you seen this? Bro? It's unbelievable. Woo! It's unbelievable. It's so unbelievable. Yes. Okay, I like it. As you see, it's working. And when you make a beautiful selfie, as in, you can click on pause here and take a photo here. Okay? And when you turn the camera here, you can recording a video as in, and as you see, the flash is activated. You can also deactivate the flash as in. Wow, as you see, the flash is manual control of the flash when you're recording. Stop the flash again. Stop again. Beautiful effect. I love it. Now you can use your phone to make a beautiful music video. I like it. Subscribe today and let's go. Stop it. Now let's watch your videos. right now. Look at, as you see, is in slow motion again. Look at. Okay. Okay, look at the effect. Flash off, flash on, flash off, flash on, here, off. Have you seen this, bro? Have you seen this? Unbelievable. Okay, remember, you before recording video, make sure that you have deactivate slow motion. Okay, if you want to be recording a normal video, slow motion is activated when you see this symbol. Do this to deactivate this and put this on normal. Okay, wonderful. It's done. Now make your capture, your beautiful recording, and we go. Oh, I like this. I like all of this. The autofocus is here. You can do many things with this. Increase, decrease, increase. The bright light, decrease. Wow, I like it. I love this. Flash, activate, deactivate. Look at on my end. Look at deactivate, activate, deactivate, activate, deactivate, activate. On, off, on, off. Wow, so nice. Have you seen this? It's so cool. I love this camera. I want to use this camera to make a beautiful video for you. Get ready. Subscribe, click on like, and share this video. Look at this. And we go. Oh, I like this. I like all of this. The autofocus is here. You can do many things with this. Increase, decrease, increase. The bright light, increase. Wow, I like it. Wow, like have you seen? Flash, activate, deactivate. Wow, it's so nice. Look at on my end. Deactivate. Look at. Deactivate. Activate. Deactivate. Wow. Activate. On. This is the flash. Off. On. Off. Wow, so nice. I like it. Have you seen? There's something that I want to show you also. When you want to recording a video without the sound, click on audio here, and after audio, now look at here. Look at this. Can you see this? Look at here. Say yes. Look at here. The level. Yes. And deactivate. Click on, off. Yes. Nothing. Yes again. No. Nothing. You can listen something. But when you do this, woo. Listen again. Hello. It's so cool. It's so beautiful. And there are many features into, but you can discover it. The grain and other things. Square. The left. Horizon. Wow. Look at this. This camera is premium. And it's a beautiful feature. It's the best camera for me. The thing that I hope to receive a beautiful camera that can recording a video on the principal camera, and in the same time I can click on a button to access to the selfie camera, the front camera. I see this option. This is the things that I want to have on a beautiful camera. If it's possible, bro, do this for me. Alright? Do this for me. I am ready to buy this. I'm ready. I'm ready today. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe, click on like. Under this video also you can make donation to GNANGSTUDIO Footej on the description. Get ready, bro. Get ready. As you see, beautiful, beautiful. You can also watch your video directly to your Play Store. Please directly to your Samsung videos. All of your videos is here. You can watch, and it's good. Allah, beautiful, so nice. And you turn, and you turn, and you turn, and turn. All right, I see it's working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to download this application. It's a Footej camera. Download, subscribe, and like and share. Thank you for watching. God bless you for the next video on GNANGSTUDIO Footej. Let's go.